Welcome to the MAN 3000 video tutorials. In this video we will cover the installation and registration of the MAN 3000 software. To get started, run the setup exe. You can get this exe by either downloading it from the MAN 3000 website or from a MAN 3000 software CD. Once the install wizard is open, click Next. Have a read through the license agreement and accept the terms below. Then click Next again. For Windows Vista, it is important not to edit the install directory, but for other Windows operating systems you can do so by clicking the Change button. We do, however, recommend you install into the default directory, as it will make any software upgrades easier. Once you have determined where you'd like to have the software installed, click Next and then Install. When it is done installing, you may be required to restart your PC before running the software. Click Finish to complete the installation and then start MAN 3000 using the desktop shortcut. The first time you run the software, it will prompt you to build the codebook. Click Yes to do so. Enter the dialing code as well as the telephone number of the respective landline, then click Build Codebook. This will take a couple of moments to complete. You can then choose to build additional codebooks, otherwise click Close to restart the MAN 3000 software. To register the MAN 3000 software for a free 14-day trial, first enter your technical password, then click Settings, then Comport Settings, and select Soft Online Authentication from the connection options. After you have done that, click Please Register, then click Yes. Complete the registration form by clicking Edit and accepting the prompts. Then ensure you fill in all the fields before clicking Save. This will generate you an S key and display the online registration button. To continue, click Online Registration and you'll be asked to enter your cell number as well as an optional job number. Then click Request One-Time Password to have an OTP sent to the cell number entered above. Once you receive this OTP, enter it into both text boxes and click Request Unlock Code. You can close this confirmation window, then click Please Register again. Click the Register button at the bottom of the window and enter the 16-digit unlock code sent to your cell phone. To finish, click Save. Your software is now registered and fully functional.